Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share. So today I'll be making some quick garlic butter shrimp, and if you want to see how I made this, then stick around. So guys, since I've been away, I decided to come back on with this, quick and simple recipe, easy to follow. Now I'm just going to add my butter to some oil, and I'd usually pan sear my shrimp first before adding the seasonings and so forth, but nah, today I just went real fast and simple. So at this point, if you would like, pan sear your shrimp, it adds more flavor, but as I said, I'm just winging this one. So I went ahead and added my bell peppers, onions and green onions and sauteed that, and then I added some garlic, and I'm just stirring that around, sweat it out, not necessarily sauteing but more like sweating is when you get everything to flavor the oil or the butter without having it change color. Then I'm just going to add some salt, bring out more flavor, give the veggies some taste, bring them to life. If you're not a veggie fan, when you add salt, it makes a whole lot of difference. Alright, then I'm just going to add my shrimp now, and this is what I was talking about. I would usually pan sear it first to add more flavor, but it's still flavorful. So what I added now is some white pepper. You can add black pepper, some all-purpose, and some seasoned oil. You can choose whatever spices you'd like, but not too much, because you mainly want it to taste of garlic, because after all it is garlic butter shrimp, right? So I'm just adding some dried Scotch bonnet pepper. You can choose whatever pepper of spice or heat you prefer. It could be pepper flakes, cayenne, whatever your choice is. And then I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of water and cover just to get it to sweat some more, bring some more sauce to it. And yeah, that will be all, and it will be ready to eat. So yeah guys, thanks so much for sticking around. Even though I've been away, you're still here supporting me, and I really do appreciate that. And if you're new, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.